Alright, today we are building a brand new road
Oh, no!
through this village. But first, let's clear the path and get things ready. Look who's here to help. Hulk is on
Oh,
the
no!
top, bringing in a huge load of bricks. Oh no, hold on Hulk, careful with the turn. And boom, there go the bricks, right where we need them. Time to mix some heavy-duty cement. Let's start the mixer. Add the cement powder, pour in some water, and let it spin. Perfect. Our mixture is ready to pour. Now let's carefully place the foundation. We'll line up the miniature bricks one by one to create a perfect border for our new road. Looking good already. Next step, filling it up with sand. Let's dump it in. Level it out with the hand. Give it a quick spray of water. And roll it down flat with a heavy roller to make it super soft. Here comes the smooth black asphalt. Let's spread it evenly. And look, Hulk is back with the roller to press it down into a shiny, clean road. We are almost done, but a road isn't complete without proper markings. Let's paint the borders white and add a neat zebra crossing right here for the villagers. Wow, look at that! Hulk is already cruising down the smooth new road. The villagers love it. If you enjoyed this satisfying build, don't forget to hit that follow button. Thumbs